Hello everyone and welcome to a new video on how to make drop-down list in Excel. In today's video you will learn what is a drop-down list and how to make one. Now you can see I have a drop-down list linked to my company column. There is a little button here right next to the cell. If I click on that button, it shows me a range of values which we call a drop-down list values. If I select any of this value, it will apply that value to the consecutive cell. Now, I would like to add that list to this region column, and the values of these will come from this dataset. To create a drop-down list, I will select the range where I would like to apply the list. Now I will go to Data tab. In the Data Tools section, select Data Validation. Now, in the Allow Values, select List. And now for the source, click on this button, select the source, hit enter, press OK. Now you can see a small button appears right next to the each cell of region column. If you click on that button, it will show you the values we have just selected for our drop-down list. If I click on any value, it will change that value to the linked cell. So that's all for today. Thank you.